subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo is reportedly working on its upcoming Reno5 5G smartphone, and recently a new Oppo phone was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is believed to be Oppo Reno5 5G smartphone. The listing reveals the images of the Reno5 5G smartphone, including some key specifications. According to listing, the Oppo Reno5 5G smartphone will feature a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and it will have an 32-megapixel selfie camera, but sadly it is difficult to find whether the phone has a water drop notch or a hole punch design. At the back, it is visible to have a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad ray cameras will include one 64-megapixel primary camera along with the 8-megapixel secondary plus 2-megapixel third and another 2-megapixel fourth camera. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by an unnamed Octa-Core 2.4 GHz processor paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will run on latest Android 11 out of the box, and it will come equipped by 4300 mAh battery that is expected to support 65 watts fast charging. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 159.1 by 73.4 by 7.9 mm, and it will weigh around 172 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Oppo Reno5 5G smartphone has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo Reno5 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.